So deleting your Worldremit account is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how to remove your Worldremit account. So for that, we will go to the Worldremit's website. I'm just going to type in Worldremit and go to their website. You don't even need to log in just to remove the account. In order to remove the account, you just have to click on help. What it will do is it will take you to the help option. Now you have to click on my account. And here you need to find how do I close my Worldremit account. You just have to click on this link. It will take you to this page. If you guys are removing the account for any other problem, you just want to use the account and you have a problem, so you can find the problem right here. You might be able to get a right fix. But if you just want to remove your account, you just have to go to this section which says how do I close my Worldremit account, and there you have to click on contact us. Now it will take you to a new web page. Now this website contains all the necessary information to contact them. You just have to scroll down and now you have to click on this phone link. It will take you to a new web page. Now you guys, what you have to do is you have to find your country's phone number for their website. Suppose I live in United States. What will I do is I will go to the United States and Canada option, and here this is the number for the United States. You just have to give them a call and explain them what you want to delete your account. They'll help you with that. And so that's how I do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.